2022, this is the petition by
Thank you very much, everyone. My name is Professor Fred Zola, first petitioner in the petition P237 for 2023. I'm not a lawyer, but I'm a governance expert, so that's the angle we're going to take. I place my eyes on the petition that we have filed, our written submissions, and the accompanying list and bottom of case diaries. I seek to answer 4 questions in my submissions today. And the questions I'm going to give for those submission today is whether the imposition of VAT on insurance compensation is unconstitutional. The second question is whether the Finance Act and all certain provisions in the Finance Act are unconstitutional. The third question is whether there was sufficient public participation in the process leading to the enactment of the Finance Act. And the last question I address, Your Honor, is what are the roles and duties insofar as the petition that is before you is concerned. So to start with, VAT on insurance compensation. Instances where VAT is imposed are as follows. With regards to imposition of VAT on insurance compensation, in answering the question whether the insurance compensation is eligible or not, VAT must be subjected as insurance compensation is not a consumable, if you like, a service or good, and therefore they should not be taxable as they are being subjected to the current tax in the Finance Act. So to the extent that we find that it is inevitable to find that insurance compensation is not a consumable good or service supplied, you must therefore reach out an inevitable conclusion that the imposition of the VAT on insurance compensation in the Finance Act is in violation of the Constitution of Kenya 2012. The second question is from the unconstitutionality of the various sections of the entire Finance Act. In addressing you on this issue, my lady and Lord, I submit that your duty and obligation under this issue insofar as the case of the petitioner is concerned is to interpret the Constitution and apply the Bill of Rights. In applying the Bill of Rights, you are mandated and obligated to adopt an interpretation that most favors the enforcement of the right or fundamental freedom contained in the Bill of Rights as directed in Article 23 clause B. You are also additionally required to utilize and apply the constitutional principles of interpretation of the Constitution under Article 259, which requires you to interpret the Constitution in a liberal and the purpose approach in a manner that protects and promotes the purpose and principles of the Constitution. Your Honor, I'm not just a consequentialist where consequences determines what people should do, because that is the happy part. But more specifically, we have to say that we submit that we have to look at the 2 parts where we talk about both purpose and the effect of any legislation, because sometimes the effect can be good, but the purpose is lost. What then was the purpose of the Finance Act? By its name is an act that helps the government raise finances to cater for its budgetary expenses for financial year 2023-2024. The petitioner, in the petition before you, is aggrieved by the effect of the said act on the Constitution, which I now proceed to address you as follows. 1. all of us within you might know that it's been stated that this finance act was the most popular act in the history of Kenya. Without evidence, I don't want to go there, but all we know that it was least intellectually debated. As my colleague said, reject, reject, reject. There was no intellectual discourse. So on the public participation, on the face of the petition that is before you, we have shown and demonstrated that the certain sections of the Finance Act were amended when the Act was still a bill before the floor of the House on the third respondent, that's the National Assembly. Honorable members of the court, public participation is a constitutional requirement under Article 10, Section 2 of the Constitution. Consequently, I invite you to find that the extent that the impound clauses, which you have stated, were introduced to the bill and are not subjected back to public participation, in their express view, the said sections are violative of the constitutional principle of public participation, which serves the purpose of informing the public of what is expected and to their concerns and fears. The second one, on discriminatory nature of the housing levy in contravention of Article 27 and 43 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. My lords and ladies, the housing levy as passed under the Finance Act requires mandatory contributions from both the employer and employee. It means therefore the right to housing provided for under Article 43, Section 1 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. The effect of this is that only the persons who are employed will have the benefit of being able to have the right under employment. Thus, violation of constitutional rights, principle of non-discrimination on the grounds which is contrary to Article 27, Section 4 of the Constitution. My lords and ladies, as I finish my submissions, which of course you see is precise, I would like to urge you not to bury your head from the issues affecting Kenyans, like the Court of Appeal did and the Supreme Court already. Just do the right thing. Don't be scared of the injustice already done by the higher courts. Because we believe that from the low courts, you can get justice, and sometimes justice appears as you go the sky above. And I would like to plead to you that you might be able to consider the plight of Kenyans who are suffering in these taxes as being listed here in many ways, and the inconsistencies in it that we make before you. With those few remarks, I urge you to allow the players sought in the petition number E237 from 2023 as read. I thank you, my lady and lords, for listening. Next one is the same petition.
Since it is not here, we move on to the next. E254 2022, Mr. Adam. Mr. Lorry is going to say practice.
My lady, in that matter, as I stated earlier,